Reaching clients, everybody's problem. Someone to guide and mentor. You have found one. See if you want to work with the mentor. Move ahead in your journey with me. I have all the potential to be a life coach, masters in Indian culture. I know there is a prospect. How much technology one needs to master? Yes. So to become a software professional, how many years of your life you have invested? Schooling, engineering, maybe post graduation, right? So many years of life you have invested. I Digital world is like that. This all new age tools and techniques are like that, but you don't have to invest 10, 12 years, but a decent 3 years of everyday learning. If you want to master different aspects of the digital world, there is graphic designing, then there is video making, then there is copywriting, then there is a Google AdWords, then there is Facebook, then there is learning management system, then there is list building system, then there is tracking system, then there is funnel building system. Unless you want to open an agency, don't even go there. Know as much as you must know. And I have created a course, 2 courses, Go Digital, Go Digital. I've been talking about it, right? SEO, so many things. So it is specialization, right? When you become a general MBBS, or you are going into ear, eye, nose, ENT, brain, whatever, So how much you must know is relevant, okay? And I understand the gaps. I'm an entrepreneur. I wanted to create personal brand, and this digital world was a huge problem. I spent money, people were not delivering, and I was thinking Facebook is not working. Okay, these things don't work. But when I actually went, I didn't want to learn all of this. I just wanted to do what I am doing today. Somebody give me a room full of leads, I will deliver. But that lead generation is only not happening. And people who are charging a lot of money, they are not able to deliver. People who are charging low money, they are also not able to deliver. So what to do? So I went to learn. I invested more than $5,000 to learn. And now today I'm empowering you to do it. And now I exactly know why these things don't work. It is not the problem of implementation. It is the problem of strategy. It is the problem because this will work only with strategy. And what and how you should value communication, building your credibility. What is the lot of people have awesome products, but they don't know how to take out share the value they bring in people's life. There is something called price and there is something called value, right? Because if nobody teaches this, right? Where do I stand? I don't know. Okay. So I do not know computer operating, how to create a course. Well, you will need a lot of help. Okay. You have to get someone record your courses, or you have to take professional help, pay for it and record your course. Okay. That is a take professional help, how to record your course. Take somebody who can help you record your course. The thing is, we want to do everything on our own. That is also possible. Learn how to do it. Spend time learning and then do it on your own also. That is also possible, right? So I looked at that. Now question bank is done.